Right. I just wanted to use this video to show you how to run this Bitcoin stock portfolio app, for lack of a better name. Yeah. So what I'm doing here, I'm opening my Git Bash, or you can open whatever command line you're comfortable with, and then from here, I'm going to run the code. Yeah, Streamlit Run app. Don't worry. This code is available in the README file. So yeah, all the information that you need is all in the project. And then once I click on enter, it does all its background things, and then yeah, we see the man start running, swimming, kayaking, cycling, and all those things. But yeah, shortly after this is just Streamlit trying to put together our whole project. But yeah, shortly after this, it should all come together, and this is what you'll see. The first thing that you'll see is basically, yeah, the Bitcoin analysis that I did. But more information is available on the notebook itself, which is also part of this project. Okay. So yeah, this is how the app looks in the way I laid it out. So basically, here you have your historic prices, and then as you go, we have a look at returns and volatility. But okay, fine. Yes, as nice as this dashboard may look, but this is where I would like to draw your attention in terms of the power of Plotly and how it makes this dashboard fun to work with. So let me take, for example, the Bitcoin history price, right? So with the history price, I was working from, what was it? I think it was 2014. I was using data from 2014 to 2021 or something of the sort. So now, if you just want to focus on data from, let me just have a full view of it. So if you want to focus on data from just the last year, yeah, if you just want to focus on the year 2021, you could just say year to date, and then, yeah, and then that is only what you'll see from starting from Jan up until when that year ends, which is November 16 or 17. And then if you want to just look at 6 months, if you want to look at 3 months, yeah, that's the nice thing about Plotly. That's what it makes makes your graphs very easy to focus on instead of looking at a graph like this and then just seeing that miniature part of it. But yeah, for now, let's look at the stock dashboard. But yeah, that is essentially how to run the app. So let's have a look at what I've managed to accomplish with the stock dashboard. The reason why I chose the Google ticker is because it has it has less data than the Apple, the Apple stock itself. So actually, this is not part of the dashboard. I will have to remove this, but this is still a work in progress, so I understand why it's still there. But part of the process is to remove that. But yeah, looking at Google's history price, let me just put that in focus for now. Looking at Google's history price, you can see it started all the way there in 2004, sorry, and the closing price was $2.50. But if you just want to focus on the year to date, you just click on that year to date button, and then yeah, what you'll see is from 2024 January to what's the last date here? Let me see. Give me a second. So the last date there is the 5th of December. Just yesterday. So I'm guessing because the market is still open, you won't get to see those prices. But yeah, if you want to have a look at the year to date, if you want to look at the 6 month focus, the 1 month, the 5 days, but there won't be much change there. But yeah, you can still get to appreciate if you just want to look at yesterday from when the day began to when the price closed to see what changes were there. Let's see, it opened at 176 and then closed roughly at 174. So yes, there's some depreciation going on there between last night in Google's price. But yeah, so here we have the relative strength. Basically we can do the same thing with these graphs. If you want to look at buying opportunities, let's say maybe in the past year, you just want to count, okay, how many buying opportunities have there been throughout the year? How many selling opportunities have there been throughout the year? You can see, okay, no, let me count what has crossed this threshold of our relative strength index. And then, yeah, you can do the same for buying opportunities. Yeah, remember, keep in mind that this is in no way advice for trading or investing or anything. This is just the dashboard to allow you some information. So the training is going down there, and the training itself takes a bit of time. But just to give you some highlight in it, I'm using the profit model. I'm still yet to refine it because I've noticed that there's been some overfitting happening there. But yeah, all in all, I chose the profit model because it seemed to model itself well to the data that is the stock data basically, yeah, or time series data, allow me to say. But yeah, uh, particularly the stock data, it seems to yeah model itself well to that data. But yeah, all in all, oh wait, before I end the video, let me show you what I have planned for this information. There's not much to see, but the plan is to have information, to have basically the same layout that the Bitcoin dashboard has, and then in that layout is basically ex explaining each graph of what information to look out for or what key indicators to look out for you to be able to interpret that graph. And I wanted to have that information set out in the same layout as the Bitcoin dashboard. And then once you scroll over to, say, the stock dashboard, I wanted the information to explain those particular graphs. A, I want to have those explanations set out in the same way that the dashboard itself is laid out. But yeah, all in all, that is the app for now. I'm still working on it, so stay tuned for those updates. For now, cheers.